The search for new chief minister is on, with BJP North-East coordinators SAMBIT PATRA holding separate meetings with BJP MLAs at Hotel Imphal since yesterday, amid public speculation on how will become the new chief minister following the resignation of unbidden as chief minister. Meanwhile, speaking to media, former Forest and Environment Minister Thongam Bishwajit clarified that the meeting was not a convened to discuss about who will be the new chief minister, but rather to discuss about restoring normalcy in the state. On the other hand, NPF State President and former Water Resources Minister Awangbo Nyumai reiterated that their party's decision to support BJP party. It may be mentioned that NPF backed the second term of former Chief Minister N. Biren-led government. Meanwhile, the NPP, which had previously withdrawn its support from Biren-led government, also expressed its willingness to support the BJP government provided that BJP selects a new chief minister. However, following the former chief minister's submission of his resignation to the governor at Raj Bhavan upon returning from New Delhi on February 9, there has been no definitive consensus among the current BJP MLAs regarding the selection of a new legislative party leader who will subsequently assume the role of chief minister.
Sir, you have been meeting with SAMBIT PATRA, sir. Any updates, sir? Any updates on formation of government, sir?
Who will be the next CM, sir?
Sir, who will be next CM?
No, we don't discuss for the CM.
Sir, when will be the next government form?
We just discuss to bring back the peace only.
Going on. It is for the betterment of everyone.
We understand it, but when will the result
time will come and everyone.
Because tomorrow
So what is the stand? Sir, what is the stand of NPF, sir? Sir, what is the stand of NPF, sir, right now?
Our stand is always the same.
आज कुछ तो बता दो सर.
Nothing to be said. I just wanted to meet him because he's our in charge. That's all. That is not my level. I don't have to comment on that because I don't have the authority to say like that. But I think center will decide everything. Whatever the center says, we'll abide by that. Command and instruction. That's all. I think the High Command will decide everything. We have to write the instruction. That is up to them to decide. It things to be done. We requested him to try to maximum to restore the normalcy in Manipur. That's all we requested him because he's in charge of our Manipur state unit. And we told him, we request him and we appeal him from the center side, please try to find a way out to return normalcy in Manipur.
CM yang malau tu kan ni kau ni happy pot tu, kau lagi na, kau, adu mai fail tu, kau ni semua ni sahaja dah. Adu sahaja betul kau. Technicality mas mayam tu dia tu, kau India government na khana rong ni, kau di tu na kena tahu tu.
It's just a courtesy call. Nothing. It's just a courtesy call.
NPF